Hey divas, welcome back to the Triple D YouTube channel. I thought it would be fun to show you guys what came in the February 2022 Diva Box. So if you're patiently waiting for your package to come and you want to look at sneak peeks, here you go. So the very first thing that came in this Diva Box is an incredible new towel. So I normally don't like microfiber cloths because of this staticky feel to them. But this one is like the perfect combo of it. It's not staticky at all. It's super ultra soft. It's a really long towel that covers my entire work surface, and it has the Triple D logo branding embroidered on it. I really love this towel, so everyone who got the February 2022 Diva Box got this towel in it. But if you missed out on the box, do not worry because this towel is coming to the shop very soon. Moving on to this black package here, Triple D has come out with some new packaging, so you may see in some orders in the future that some of the packages are going to come in this cute little case here. So I know one of the starter kits, the $40 starter kit, is going to come in this little package here. And it's really neat because it has a resealable Ziploc on the back end. So if you get this, you don't have to cut into it. It has a Ziploc. Don't worry, you can actually reuse this baggie for other stuff if you want to in the future. First things first, I'm going to show you guys this glass cuticle stick. Triple D is coming out, yes, coming to the shop with this cute little cuticle stick, and it has a little pointy end, and it's great for going around the cuticle area and getting off any dry skin or any dip that dried on your skin. And it has its branding, and it's pink to clear ombre. I think it's really cute and totally fits the Triple D branding. And the tip isn't too pointy, it's not too sharp, so it won't hurt you. For easy storage and to help ensure that the tip doesn't go blunt, Triple D is providing this cute little case, so don't throw this out when you guys get your package. So now it's time to move on to the exciting stuff. We have 4 dip powders here and a little bottle of builder gel. Well, not little, it's a normal size builder gel. So it's called Ice Cream Opulent, and this is similar to the Ice Cream Social gel polish that Triple D has, and it's a little bit more pink than the Ice Cream Social dip powder. It's an absolutely stunning shade. You can see it's a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. I think it would look beautiful on every skin tone. Every Diva box comes with 4 dip powders. It's going to come with 3 dip powders labeled Diva Dips, and then you're going to have 1 mainline color that will be releasing in a couple weeks to the Triple D website. So this month's color is called Empowerments, and it has a little CC here on the jar, and that means it's a color changer. Triple D has been releasing so many color changers in the last year, and I love, love, love them. They're super sensitive, and they change colors super fast. So definitely check out the Triple D website to see all of the color changers they have to offer. Diva Dip 43 pulls in the best of both worlds about this Diva box. You have a very fine glitter mix with a minty blue-green that matches the solid dip powders and a gorgeous pink that very pulls in the color from the Ice Cream Social Builder Gel. And if you don't want a color changer, don't worry because Triple D has you covered with a solid mint dip powder, and it's not Triple D without including a gorgeous flake powder in the Diva box. So this pulls up mint and pink colors in it together. I can't wait to show you guys the swatches in a second. So first up is the Ice Cream Social Builder Gel. It is a very nice thin consistency. It's not too thick. Obviously Builder Gel is thicker than gel polish, so always keep that in mind when purchasing Builder Gel. It's a gorgeous like salmony warm toned pink. Empowerments is the thermal changer that will be going to mainline very soon. It changes from this bluish green mint color to a light yellow, like a greeny yellow. I'm using my body heat here to try to change the color, so obviously it's a little more difficult for me to show you guys, but I'll show you guys a swatch in a couple seconds. But here are the 3 Diva Dips These are absolutely stunning. You have 43 on the left, 44 in the middle, and 45 on the right. And then if I pull in the other two swatches, you can see the whole color palette all thrown in together. You have like the pink and the mint vibe going on this month. So this was the whole idea and vision of this Diva box, was pink and mint. All right, Divas, let us know in the comments below what you think about this month's Diva box. And if you didn't like it and it's not your cup of tea, also let us know in the comments below what kind of colors you love to see in future Diva boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!